Hello viewers, in this tutorial I discuss about causal linear time invariant system. So in the case of linear time invariant system, causality can be translated to be a condition on the impulse response. To determine relationship, let us consider a linear time invariant system having output at time n equal n naught and given by the convolution formula like y of n naught equal k equal minus infinity to infinity h of k x of n naught minus k. Clear? Suppose that we subdivided the sum into two sets of the terms. So one set involving represent the past values of the input, like past values like are x of n or n less than n naught, like that. Okay, and one set involving future values of input. So future values are n greater than n naught. Okay, so in that case the equation like y of n naught equal k equals 0 infinity h of k x of n naught minus k plus k equal minus infinity to minus 1 h of k x of n naught minus k. Clear? That's the equation. So you observe that the terms in the first sum involve x of n naught, x of n naught minus 1, which are the past values of the input signal. On the other hand, the terms in the second sum involve the input signal components like x of n naught plus 1 and x of n naught plus 2 or something like that. Now if the output at time n equal n naught is to depend only on the present and past values, then clearly the impulse response of the system must satisfy the condition like h of n equals 0 where n is less than 0. Okay, and after that, since h of n is the response of the relaxed linear time invariant system to a unit impulse applied at n equal 0, and it follows that h of n equals 0 for n less than 0, and both are necessary, a sufficient condition for causality. Okay, so hence LTI system is causal if and only if its impulse response is 0 and negative values of n. So in that case the equation of this causal system is y of n equal k equals 0 n h of k x of n minus k. Okay, we observe that in this case the limit of the summations for the two alternatives forms are identical and the upper limit is growing with time, and clearly the response of causal system to a causal input sequence is causal since y of n equals 0 for n is less than 0. Okay, so that's the causal system of LTI system. So thank you everyone and subscribe my channel. See you in next tutorial.